Business owners focus so much on federal taxes that they forget about the state compliance side, and honestly, the state can be a lot more aggressive than the IRS. Here are the most important state requirements that people often miss at year end when it comes to state compliance. The first one is your sales tax reconciliation. Compare your reported gross sales to your actual revenue, state across check. So just make sure that you're checking all of your sales state by state so that way you're not missing any sales tax. When it comes to with the state of California, it's the CDFTA, so just check your local state and just make sure that you are reporting and filing those reports every month on time. The second thing that you don't want to miss when it comes to your state requirements are your annual filings or your statement of information. If you do not file this, your business can go inactive or not in good standing, and this is not a good thing because you definitely don't want to operate a business that is showing on the Secretary of State's website inactive or not in good standing. The third thing that you don't want to miss is your franchise tax or your excise tax. A lot of states charge a minimum tax just for existing, not just for making money. The fourth thing that you don't want to miss is your B&O or your gross receipts reporting. States like Washington do not care if you're profitable, they tax top line revenue. The fifth and final thing that you want to make sure that you're doing when it comes to the state is making sure that you update your business license, especially if you've change ownership, or just simply change activity. Do not wait until the last minute to do this because it could hurt you in the long run. I always tell all my clients when it comes to the state again is always just to me a lot more aggressive than the IRS. The state does not play about compliance, and it's cheaper to handle it now than later down the line and face those late penalties, those late fees, and then also furthermore like a suspension letter. So just make sure if you're unsure how to check this, make sure that you do get with your accountant or your tax specialist to make sure that you are in good standings with the state.